What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chetan Tyagi and today is the day that I'm posting my complete grooming routine with all the products that I use, and all the products that I use are completely organic and works really well for my skin. Been using these for last 1 to 2 years. So let's get started. So मैं काफी ज्यादा चूजी हूँ प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए जो मैं अपनी स्किन के लिए यूज करता हूँ, और मेरी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा सेंसिटिव है, तो अगर बाय चांस मैं कुछ भी केमिकल यूज करता हूँ तो इट शोज irritation or any side effect. So the product that I'm using today is completely organic and been using these for last 2 years. Works great with my skin. जितने भी लोगों को recommend किया है, they have sent me positive feedbacks. So alright. So Inatur, thank you for sending me this lovely package, and this is the brand that I use for my skincare routine, from shaving foam to beard oils. So let's get started. I'll show you what I use and how I do it. So the first thing that I do every morning once I get up, I wash my face with this Inatur charcoal face wash, and this face wash is completely natural, pH balanced and alcohol free, plus it has ginger and lemon. So completely natural है, कोई मेरे को face पे irritation नहीं होती. My skin is very sensitive. This helps me eliminate all the impurities and damage caused due to pollution or dirt. So I love this one and use it every morning once I get up. तो मैं अब आपको बताता हूँ इसको यूज कैसे करना है. Just pump it out one time on your hands with your face and apply it all over your face. Massage it in a circular motion and just wash it off with the water. So next product that I use is this charcoal face scrub. This helps me unclog my pores and hydrates my skin, removes all the dead cells. Make sure your face is wet before applying a scrub. इसको आपको थोड़ा सा अपने हाथ पे लेना है, and then you have to spread it all over your face and neck. Massage it in circular motion with your fingertips. Easy, nice and easy. And then rinse it off with water in 1 or 2 minutes. And your skin will be crystal clear and good to go. The next product that I use is from Inatur again, which is beard oil, and it's completely organic, vegan. And I'll just take 2 to 3 drops, rub it, and then slowly dab my face with it. This helps me soften my beard, और especially आजकल जब हम मास्क पहन रहे हैं, it gets so irritating when your hair gets stuck into the mask and it causes some burn and irritation. So this will help you with that, and it's an amazing product for the beard growth if you're a beard freak like me. But nowadays I'm shaving my beard off, so next product is for that. This is Inatur Monoin shaving foam, the best product that I've used from any brand for shaving. So let's try this one out, and I've used it a couple of times in last 3 to 4 weeks. The best thing about this shaving foam is it is pH balanced, soap free, sulfate free and alcohol free, and so it doesn't burn on my skin. So I'll show you guys how to use it. Pump the Manoi facial foam onto your palms and apply a thick layer using your fingertips on a clean area that needs to be shaved, and then pick up a razor and start getting a clean and nice shave. Moving on to the next one, it is face mask that I apply after shaving, and it works really well with my skin because my skin is oily and this works best. So this hydrates my skin and calms my complexion. So just came out back in gym and looking fresh and nice after the face pack. So the next and the last product that I use is this Vitivo Hydrosol Solar Water from Inatur again, and I use this one as a aftershave, directly spray onto my skin, and it calms down my skin also, and it reduces any scars and marks. And for any information on ingredients or the products, you can directly go to inatur.in. Also, you can check out Inatur's YouTube channel, which is Inatur Herbals. And if you're impatient like me, अगर आपको पसंद है कि अपना प्रोडक्ट आप खुद जाके सेम डे परचेज करना चाहते हो, you can directly go to Ambulance Mall, Vasant Kunj or Pacific Mall, and in Noida you can go to Mall of India and Logix Mall. And if you're from Bangalore, you can go to Garuda Mall or Mantri Mall. And all the products are from Men's Range by Inatur. And thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And comment down what you loved the most. And make sure you send me some reviews after using these products. Love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. And live young, live free.